Video is an introduction to Microsoft Access. Now, when you load Microsoft Access, you're presented with this screen. The majority of times you're going to be going into Access, you want to create a new blank database. So I'm going to click once, and then this what's called navigation panel appears on the right hand side. I'm now going to save my file as introduction to database, and I am going to store this in my documents. I'm now going to press create. This is now your blank database. This is now your starting point to inserting and importing all the information that you want to. The first thing we need to do is we need to name our fields. So I'm going to go to the drop down menu and then press design view. I'm going to call this table sport. You'll notice here there is a primary key. At this point, leave that information, do not amend it. Now, I'm going to enter the information I would like into my field name. So my field names are employee name, date of birth, department and salary, and my data types are selected as text. Now, when I'm writing an employee name, my data type will be text. However, the date of birth will need to be recorded as date and time. The department will be recorded as text, and the salary will be recorded as currency. At this point, to save the changes you've made, you need to press, and it says, do you want to save changes? You need to press yes. If you do not press yes at this point, any changes you have made in the design view will not take place. I'm going to press yes, and then double click on my sport table. Now, to enter information in, all I do is type in the name, the date of birth, the department, the salary, and then press tab. So Susie Jones works in the fitness department. Her date of birth was the 15th of April 1982, and her salary is £15,000. Now I'm going to enter in a second person. So Robert Collins, and his date of birth is the 19th of September 1983. He works in the gym, and his salary is £18,000. Now all I'm going to do is type in 18,000 and press tab. Because the salary field is set to a data type of currency, it automatically changes the input of the data from 18,000 to £18,000. Now I'm just going to put in a couple of more other entries. Now, as you can see, oh, I've made an error. Now you can see the data has been input into the table. Now what I'm going to do is press the cross. This automatically saves the data. Then I'll press the cross at the top to exit Access. Thank you very much for watching this video.